Let's take a look at a 2 terabyte G drive. I'm going to show you the inside view in a second. Got all the ports in the back, power supply switch, eSATA, firewire, blah blah blah. Got a heatsink on the bottom. Let's slide this open and see what's going on the inside. Okay, I got a Hitachi 2 terabyte. We're going to take a look at the power supply side of this. Okay, so the actual connection is eSAT. It's a pretty high quality board here, as you can see. So this is inside the G drive. This is a 2 terabyte Hitachi.